Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change Shopify currency. Let's get started. So let's first view my actual online store. So my online store right here has a subscription or an actual app that can help change the currency of the actual products that they have. So for example, we can change it to US dollar. Now, if you want to actually change your store currency, then this is actually a different matter. So we can head back to our Shopify, click on the settings right here, and then this will open the settings. So you can scroll down, and as you can see, we have here the option for store currency. You can click on this three dots right here, click on this change store currency, and in here you should be able to see a drop down button. Now you can change what the currency you would like to use. You can use a US dollar for this one, as well as a euro, British pound, as well as a Canadian dollar. So for this, let's choose US dollar, then click on save right here. And then once you have saved that, as you can see, it should be good to go. So right now, let's refresh our actual site. And then once it has refreshed, as you can see on default, the actual currency will be around the US dollars. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.